Oh, so get this. Today, we're going to totally flip the script on how you think about AI.
Oh, yeah.
No killer robots or anything like that.
Okay.
We're going deeper
Okay.
into augmented intelligence.
It's funny, right? Just the words artificial intelligence, it kind of freaks people out.
It does.
Like it's us against them, you
Yeah.
know? Humans versus the machines.
Yeah. We're all going to be in some sci-fi movie battling robots. But what if that's totally wrong?
Yeah.
What if AI could actually make us better?
Hmm.
That's what this guy, Amr Farag, he's a consultant. He says AI should be called augmented intelligence.
Yeah, I like that way of thinking about it. It gets rid of the fear.
Right. It's all about humans and machines working together.
Collaboration, not replacement.
So no robot overlords.
Oh,
yeah.
Exactly.
So Farag breaks it all down into 3 parts. Model training, prompt engineering, and then human AI collaboration.
And at every step, it's humans who are in control.
It really is. Okay, first up, model training. So you might think you just dump a ton of data into a computer and boom, AI.
Right.
But it's not that simple.
No, it's way more complex than that. It's more like, when you bake a cake?
Yeah.
You can't just chuck any old ingredient in there.
It'll be a disaster.
You could have a recipe, right?
Yeah.
The right amounts. You got to bake it right.
Totally. So model training is like picking the right ingredients to feed the AI.
Exactly. That's where humans come in. We get the data,
Make sure it's good, clean data.
Right. No junk data. We make sure the AI is learning the right stuff. It's like the article says, our expertise in choosing what matters transforms raw data into a finely tuned engine of insight.
I like that. So we're basically shaping what the AI learns.
Exactly, like teachers.
Mm-hmm.
And that's important because if you teach the AI with bad data, it's going to spit out bad results.
Garbage in, garbage out.
Yep.
Classic.
Yep.
Okay, so the AI is trained up on good data. What's next?
We got to talk to it, right? And that's where prompt engineering comes in.
Okay, so this is all about asking the right questions.
Yes, exactly. It's like, imagine you've got this genius research assistant, but they speak a different language.
Oh, that would be tough.
Yeah, you got to learn how to ask the right questions to get the answers you need.
I get it.
Same with AI. Bad questions equal useless answers. Like when you're searching online, right?
Yeah.
If you just type in random words, you get millions of results, and they're all probably useless.
So true. You have to be specific.
Exactly. Prompt engineering is all about finding the right words to make the AI work for you.
Interesting. So we're not just asking for facts. We're using prompts to make the AI do creative stuff.
Yeah, we can make it analyze things, come up with ideas. It's pretty powerful.
Okay, so we've trained the AI. We're talking to it the right way. What's next? Farag calls it human AI collaboration, and that sounds like where the magic happens.
It does, doesn't it? It's where we go from giving orders to actually working with the AI.
Like partners.
Right. We ask it things, it answers, we give feedback, it adjusts. It's a conversation.
Back and forth. Not just a one-time thing.
Exactly. Like brainstorming with a super smart colleague who knows everything.
That would be pretty awesome.
Right. So many possibilities. So we've got the basics down, right? How augmented intelligence is all about humans and AI working together.
Totally.
Now let's see how that actually plays out. Farag talks about 4 big areas where this partnership can really change things.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's start with enhanced creativity. AI being creative. That's kind of wild.
Yeah, but it's not like AI is going to replace artists or anything. It's more like a partner.
Okay.
It can help you come up with new ideas,
Yeah.
push the boundaries a bit.
So instead of staring at a blank page, you could use AI to get the ball rolling.
Exactly. Think of it like a brainstorming buddy who's got all the knowledge in the world.
That would be pretty helpful.
Yeah.
Can you give me an example? How could a filmmaker use AI to be more creative?
Sure, imagine they're working on a new movie, right?
Yeah.
They could use AI to look at tons of classic movie scenes, see what works, and then
get ideas for their own film.
Yeah, like new camera angles, lighting, stuff like that.
That's pretty cool. So AI can make you a better artist, basically.
In a way, yeah. But it's not just about art, right? There's efficiency, too.
Oh, yeah. Everyone's always talking about efficiency.
Right. We're all so busy, and that's where AI can help. It can take care of all those boring tasks we all hate.
You mean scheduling meetings, answering emails?
All that stuff. It frees up our time so we can focus on the important things.
The things that actually require a human brain.
Exactly. Think about a doctor, right?
Okay.
They could use AI to go through patient records, flag anything important.
So they have more time to actually talk to their patients.
Yeah, and focus on giving them the best care.
Makes sense. So AI can save us a ton of time.
It can, yeah. And time is precious. But it's not just about doing things faster, it's about making better decisions.
Okay. Data-driven decision-making, we hear that a lot these days.
Right. But it's more than just a buzzword. AI can help us make sense of all the information out there.
There is so much data everywhere. It's overwhelming.
It is. But AI can see patterns we can't. It can analyze everything and tell us what's really going on.
So instead of going with our gut, we can actually look at the numbers.
Exactly. And make smarter choices. Like, imagine a city planner, right?
Right.
They're trying to figure out traffic, public transport, all that.
Tough job.
Yeah, but AI can look at all the data, traffic patterns, where people live.
And then tell them where to put the new bus stop.
Exactly. Or help them design a city that's better for the environment.
That's awesome. So AI can help us make big decisions, but can it also make things more personal?
It can, yeah. That's personalized experiences. Everyone wants things tailored to them these days.
Like those recommendations you get on Spotify or Netflix.
Yeah, but AI can take it way further. Imagine a fitness app, right?
Okay.
It tracks your sleep, how much you move, what you eat.
And then tells you what to do.
Yeah. It creates a workout plan just for you. Or think about education.
Like a school.
Yeah. AI could create a custom curriculum for every student.
So you learn at your own pace on the things you're interested in. That's amazing.
Right. And it doesn't stop there. Healthcare, shopping, everything could be personalized.
It sounds incredible. But doesn't that raise some privacy concerns?
Oh, absolutely. That's a huge question we need to think about.
Yeah. How much information is too much? Where's the line?
That's the challenge with any powerful technology.
Right. It's not just about what it can do, but how we use it.
Exactly. But for now, let's focus on the positive.
Okay, so what have we learned about augmented intelligence? What should people take away from this deep dive? Okay, so we've covered a lot about augmented intelligence. It's been a pretty wild ride.
It has, from creativity to efficiency to personalized everything.
It really seems like there's no limit to what we can do with AI if we do it right.
Exactly. But before we go too far into the future, what are the big takeaways from today?
Yeah, what should people remember about all this augmented intelligence stuff?
Well, I hope we've at least made people less scared of AI.
It's not about robots taking over.
Right. It's about working with AI, not against it.
It's a tool. And like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. We have to be the ones who make sure it's used for good.
Absolutely. And that means being involved every step of the way.
Like with the data, right? We have to teach the AI the right stuff.
Exactly. And we need to ask the right questions to get the right answers. Human intelligence is key here.
It's like we're the composers and the AI is the orchestra. We have to know how to make it all work together.
I love that. It's all about collaboration, this beautiful blend of human and machine.
And when it works, it really works. I mean, think about all the amazing things we talked about. Art, efficiency, better decisions, even personalized experiences.
It's really mind-blowing. Augmented intelligence could change everything, but we have to do it right.
With responsibility and always keeping in mind that it should be helping people, not hurting them.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
So I guess the future is still being written, but it's up to us to make sure it's a good one, right?
It is. It's exciting and a little scary all at the same time, but it's definitely an adventure.
Well, thanks for joining us on this deep dive into augmented intelligence. Until next time.